You all know how much I love Trello, and if you don't, my name is Sylvia Glanton. I am the systems queen. I love systems. Trello happens to be one of my favorite ones, so I use this system for a lot when it comes to projects that I manage for my team, and then also for my personal life. But this past April, I hosted an event called the Future Rich Aunties, and I put together a Trello board that basically helped me along the way. One of the things that people miss whenever planning events is hitting every dot that you could possibly hit. So that way you don't drop the ball the day of and you have everything you need. So here is a overview of the Trello board I wanted to give you all so that way you all can see just how much goes into the actual planning process of an event. The first thing that kicked me into gear in learning how to do all of this and setting it up is seeing how much other people are charging to plan events for you. Now, this does not take away the cost that you have for your vendors, for your swag bag items. None of that doesn't take away the cost of any of that, but it does help you be more organized throughout the process so that way you can gather data and put it in one centralized location. So then you can come back and grab it whenever you need it, whenever you're planning your event. So let's go ahead and dive into the Trello board and what is actually on it. So if you look here, this is called a list. I'm going to shake it for you. This is called a list. The entire board here is a board. So you have board, list, and then you have your cards. Cards are located here. On this, I named the first list an event, the name of the event. So, of course, you come up with the name of your event and you can replace that information and put it here. And then it also comes up with all of the details. So, the dates, who are going to be your guest speakers? Are you going to have MCs? What's going to be your pricing structure? Are you going to do a promo code for your early bird discounts? And how long of time do they have to actually purchase at an early bird rate? So, thinking about all of that is going to be very important in the very beginning. And then you're going to go back and you're going to look and see, okay, now what do I want to include in this? Right. So, what do you want to include? How much is everything's going to cost? And then also, there's an example of the sponsorship packages here.